with Red. Gary and I are here at Magic Kingdom. I'm so excited. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Who left him hanging? Tigger gave him a high five and who snubbed him? Oh man.
Okay.
That's the last straw.
Well, good.
People mover.
Scariest ride.
check out one of Gary's absolute favorites. He's been trying to get me to do it forever. But every time I go in here, I get to relax and then I start falling asleep. But we're gonna do the carousel. So hopefully you guys enjoy this.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today.
No more kerosene, no more gas.
Sarah sure gets to the core of the apple.
But we do have this new wash day marvel. Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash. Imagine, it used to take 2 days.
Well, that's right, folks. Now Sarah has time for other things
Like canning and cleaning the oven.
Yes, dear.
Ovens don't just clean themselves, you know.
I know, dear. We can travel from New York to Los Angeles by train in only 3 days. And we've got a house full of new electrical servants. Mr. Edison sure added life to our home. Well, there you go, fuse. Right, that's the third one this week. I buy fuses by the case. And I warn the whole neighborhood again.
He said it again. Go over and give that neighbor of ours what for.
Easy, Rover. Jimmy, hurry up with that fuse.
Shucks! Every time he has company, he blows a fuse. And guess who always has to change it?
I heard that, young man. I heard that.
Oh, well, that's more like it.
Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now. And we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, oh, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together. Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster? Well, I'll give it a try.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here it comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey, everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me a root beer.
Well, it can't quite do that. But I'll show you something it can do. Tree lights 30% brighter.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is so adorable. So we stopped into the candy store there on Main Street, and Gary got his Jelly Bellies, and I got a plain Mickey Rice Krispie treat. I asked the woman behind the counter because they had so many beautifully decorated ones. They had one that actually had like sprinkles on it, and I thought, well, that might actually be something that I want to get. But I asked her if the white that was underneath was white chocolate, and she said it was. And I'm allergic to chocolate. So I stuck with a plain Rice Krispie treat, but that's what I was anticipating on buying anyway. So no disappointment. And Gary got all of his Jelly Bellies that he wanted.
That's right.
So he's never disappointed in his Jelly Bellies.
I like that. That's why I kind of like my tobacco, Big John.
Well, all right. So anyhow, that's going to be our evening snack that we're going to enjoy. And we're actually going to head back to the resort and call it a night. It's been an amazing day. We've gotten so much in. and we're super excited, but we're tired. So we're heading back, and I hope you enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.